Here we go. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, and this is another episode of how to make your mower last a lifetime. This is gonna be a fun one. Today is all about ceramic coating the underside of your mower deck to make it non-stick. If you are mowing wet grass, it's going to clump up underneath that mower deck, making your mower less efficient and the cut not as clean as it could be. Ceramic coatings have come a long way in the automotive world, and I figured why not give it a shot on a lawnmower deck to prevent grass from sticking. Let's get it coated. Let's begin by unplugging the spark plug so we don't have any unwanted starts. Next, it's time to prep the deck. Time out! Here's how we are going to run this. I'm going to take some blue painter's tape and I'm going to tape off half of this mower deck. We're going to divide the mower deck into two sections. The lower chute side will be the ceramic coated side. The upper half will be the non-coated side. Now, if no grass sticks to the ceramic coated side and grass sticks to the uncoated upper side, then we know the ceramic coating is doing its job. Now, this Honda HRN 216 VKA mower is brand new. If you are going to do this on a mower you're currently using, I would strongly recommend pressure washing the underside of the deck first and then completing the following steps. You're going to want the deck as clean as possible. And if your mower deck is beaten up from lots of wear and tear over the years, your results may vary. My mower hasn't been used yet and is almost as clean as can be. I'm just going to wipe down any dust from the surface with some isopropyl alcohol. Because this mower is brand new with a metal deck, there could be some oil on it from when it was packaged. We need to get that off. You could dilute the isopropyl alcohol if you want to, but I just used a little on a towel and began wiping. I got into every groove, nook, and cranny on the lower half. Then I let it dry for about 5 minutes. Next up, we're applying the coating. I picked this ceramic coating up on Amazon, and it was one of the cheapest ceramic coatings I could find. I'll have it linked down below for you too. Warning! The instructions are very poorly written. Take 4 to 5 drops of the ceramic coating solution on the clothes. Not to worry, I got you covered. Typically, when you apply a ceramic coating, you're going to use this block that they give you. You're going to wrap the block in the applicator cloth, and then you're going to put a few drops on the cloth and spread it all around. In this case, I decided just to use the cloth because of the rounded shape of the deck. I felt that this gave a better application. This took less than 5 minutes to apply. Be sure to apply this evenly to the entire surface that you're coating. I even applied it to the plastic shroud of the chute. And now we play the waiting game. We're going to wait about 5 minutes for the product to cure. Look at how glossy that is. Wow. Now we're going to take our buffing towel and start wiping. I'm really impressed with how this looks already. Now you must let it finalize its curing process for about 24 hours. Then, we'll give it a mow. Here's the big test. I waited for a good soaking rain. Lucky for me, we had a few storms pass through. Then I got right out there and started mowing. I mowed my entire 10,000 square foot lawn after it rained to really give this a good test. The grass was fairly long and we got about a 1/4 inch of rain. Well, would you look at that? I finished mowing and it's raining again. All right, so check this out. I just went to move this mower back and take a look. See that? That chunk of grass right there just came off of the uncoated side of the deck. I'm gonna count that. All right, moment of truth. And here we go. Ah! Well, would you look at that? Not much has stuck to the deck entirely. Some tiny bits did stick to the ceramic coated side, and this up here is a pretty thin layer. You can see it's not even flaking off, and nothing really stuck to the plastic. When we look up to the top side, we can see this giant clump of grass clippings just bunched up here. Plus a little did bond to the deck. This plastic shroud right here is very rough because of all the clippings that are now stuck to it. And here on the coated side, you can see that it's pretty clean. When we take a closer look at this chute deflector, we can see that the glossy shine is pretty much gone. So here's the big question, is the ceramic coating gone completely? I guess some long-term tests and several mows will determine that. When you think about it, there is quite a bit going on underneath there when the blade is spinning around and mulching up all your grass. Given the shape and the contours of the deck, grass may possibly pile up in some areas more than others. But overall, it is safe to say that ceramic coating your deck does reduce clumping underneath. I think that this is a very useful step. This procedure only took about 10 minutes and will most likely save me countless minutes after each mow cleaning it out. I'd have to imagine that if you did this once or twice a year, you'd be cleaning it out a lot less. But keep in mind that the condition of your mower deck and your results may vary. To see more cool videos on how to make your mower last a lifetime, check out my links down in the description. Follow me further at Garage Gear JB on Instagram, and please share this video with a friend or family member to help me grow this channel. If you enjoyed this video, give me one of these. And remember, if you're feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe so that way you can stay up to date with everything going on here at Garage Gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage. Now I gotta clean this thing off. Great.